Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the comic to your favorites on the Toomics application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a comic which you want to read. And tap to the three lines next to the preview button at the bottom of the screen. And here tap to the heart icon next to the continue reading episode 2 and new this comics added to your favorites. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.